Today I will show you a scarf I'm knitting. Okay. I'm sorry, but I do not know how they call these stitches. And this is the front, but this can be also used as a back. I think it's reversible. See? And this is the other side. It has a nice stitch pattern. And I will show you how to knit this. It has only a pattern of 2 rows. Okay? And now we will begin. I've cast on 22 stitches. And this is the first row. Okay? Knit 1, yarn over, slip stitch, knit 1, yarn over, slip stitch, knit 1, yarn over, slip stitch, knit 1, yarn over, slip stitch. I will come back to you when I reach the last stitches. Okay, so this is the last 2 stitches. Okay, so what we will do, we will just knit, no more yarn over, and then we will purl the last stitch or the last stitch. Okay, then turn around and then make the second row of the pattern. Okay, here, knit 1, okay, purl 1, okay, and then knit the 2 stitches. Okay, purl 1, knit 2 stitches, purl 1, knit 2 stitches. Okay, purl 1, knit 2 stitches, and I will come back to you when I reach before I end the last stitches. Okay, now we are still in row 2, and the last stitches we will just purl. Okay, then we will make again the first row of the pattern. It's knit 1 and then yarn over, okay, and then slip 1 and then knit again, yarn over, and then slip 1, okay, and then knit, yarn, slip.